Hello, I am Charlotte, and I am excited to guide you through your onboarding today and show you exactly how to set up your account for maximum success. Together, we will walk through the platform step by step to ensure your job postings reach the best talent on Google. Let's get started right away. First, let's navigate to your profile in the top right corner and select the menu item, Plan and Add-ons. Once this page loads, you can take a moment to see your current plan and review the full list of features included in your package. Next, we head over to your employer profile. Aside your actual job postings, this section is perhaps the most important part of your account setup, as it serves as your digital business card where you introduce yourself to potential talents. Once you are on the profile page, start by entering your official company name as the title. Then, take the time to upload your company logo. Having a high-quality logo ensures that your listings look professional, serious, and recognizable to everyone who is searching. After that, move down to enter your website URL. We highly recommend starting the verification process immediately. This is a crucial step because it signals to Google that you are the legitimate owner of the domain, which will massively boost your ranking in search results. If you already have an existing career page, you can simply insert the link here. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, we provide a dedicated career page for you. You can take the link we generate and easily place it on your main corporate website. To round out your profile, be sure to add your social media links to showcase your company culture. Then carefully enter your location and contact details so candidates know exactly where you are based. Finally, specify your industry and the number of employees and complete the About Us section. Providing detailed information here helps candidates learn exactly who you are and why they should join your team. Great job! Your employer profile is now the perfect foundation for your brand. But a great profile needs great content, so let's move on to the most exciting part, bringing your vacancies to life. In this section, I will show you how to use our smart automation tools to create high-performing job ads in just a few clicks. Now that your profile is set up, let's move on to creating your first job advertisement. First, enter a job title. If your package includes the title optimization feature, you can add up to 10 different title variations. You can enter these manually or simply let the system generate 10 optimized versions for you automatically. These variations act as keywords, ensuring your ad is found by candidates using different search terms. Next is the job description. You can copy this directly from your own website, or better yet, let our AI write it for you. Once you have a title, the AI can generate a complete professional text based on that position. While editing, keep an eye on the recommendations section. These tips will help you refine your text for maximum impact. Once your text is ready, specify the employment type, such as full-time or part-time, to ensure you reach the right candidates. Make sure to upload your company logo and double-check your company details to build brand trust and stand out. You also have the option to include salary information. While this is optional, providing a transparent range can significantly increase the quality and number of your applications. When it comes to the application process, you have two choices. You can choose Quick Apply, where candidates stay on this platform. If you click Show Preview, you can see how the page looks with a compact application form on the right. Applications sent through this form go directly to your registered email. Alternatively, you can choose Redirect, which sends applicants directly to the career portal on your own company website. Now, scroll down to the location. While not strictly mandatory for every field, we highly recommend entering at least the postal code and city. Without these, your job won't be indexed correctly in local searches. If your package includes the Intelligent Radius search, your job will be visible within a much bigger radius than it is normally, significantly increasing your local reach. Finally, let's talk about promotion. Everything we have done so far creates organic visibility, meaning you can be found through standard Google searches. To take it a step further, you can activate advertising. This places your job in the top 3 positions at the very top of Google. Google's algorithm analyzes who the most suitable candidates are and plays your ad directly to them. This means you aren't just reaching active job seekers, but everyone who fits the profile, giving you a much larger reach. Now, let's look at how you can give your job an extra boost. In your job advertisement, scroll down to the Advertising Week section. You don't need to worry about the technical setup. Our AI has already done the hard work for you by creating optimized titles and descriptions for your ad. My personal tip, before you go live, take a quick look at the preview and the keywords we've identified for you. It's all about finding the perfect balance. If you choose keywords that are too narrow, you might not get enough clicks. If they are too broad, you might attract candidates who aren't the right fit. To activate the push, simply use your available advertising weeks. Just move the slider to determine exactly how long the ad should run. By clicking on the eye icon, you can see a live preview of exactly how your ad will appear as a sponsored post, positioned right at the top above all other search results. This ensures that your position gets the maximum attention it deserves. Additionally, you can keep an eye on your performance in the statistics area. Here you'll find a simple overview of your impressions and the number of clicks your ad has generated. Please note that these values will only be updated once enough data points have been collected. If you need more advertising power, you can manage your advertising weeks in the Plan and Add-ons section. You have two flexible options to suit your needs. You can choose to book advertising weeks as a monthly subscription at a discounted price, which is perfect for consistent hiring needs. Alternatively, if you only have a temporary surge in recruitment, you can opt for a one-time top-up. This allows you to buy exactly the amount of advertising power you need, exactly when you need it. Just choose the option that fits your budget, and you're ready to push your next job posting straight to the top of Google. Data is the key to a successful recruiting strategy. Now that your jobs are live and your branding is set, you'll want to know exactly how your ads are performing in the real world. In this section, I'll show you how to read your dashboard metrics so you can make data-driven decisions and optimize your reach even further. Now, let's move on to the analytics section. This is where you get a clear overview of your performance. First, you will see your impressions, which shows exactly how many potential candidates have viewed your job advertisements. Next to that is the ranking section. A key tip here: the lower the number for your position, the better your visibility. A low number means you are appearing at the very top of the search results. You can also see a summary of your published jobs, showing you exactly how many listings are currently live and how many slots you have left in your package. Further down, you will find the keywords list. This is incredibly useful as it shows the exact keywords and phrases candidates use to find your jobs. It gives you great insight into the search behavior of your target group. In the performance comparison chart, your goal is to stay within the green area, which indicates optimal reach. This chart is particularly valuable because it provides a direct benchmark against other customers on the platform. It shows you exactly how well your account is optimized compared to the market average. Finally, take a look at the devices and countries section. This shows you whether your applicants are using mobile phones or desktops to find you, and exactly which regions your applications are coming from. This data helps you understand your audience even better and allows you to refine your recruiting strategy. Now that your account is taking shape, let's explore how you can continuously improve your results. In this next section, we'll look at the smart tools designed to help you reach the highest possible quality for your job postings. This is your personal roadmap to becoming a top-rated employer on Google. Now, let's take a look at the recommendations section. This area provides you with a clear overview of your account's health and optimization potential. Your goal here is to maintain as high a percentage as possible. A high score means your profile and job ads are perfectly tuned for Google's algorithm. What makes this section especially helpful is that you are never left alone with the technical details. For every single recommendation, you will find dedicated tutorial videos right there. These short videos explain exactly why a specific point is important and show you step by step how to implement the changes. I highly recommend checking this section regularly. It acts like a checklist for your success. By following these suggestions and constantly improving your profile, you ensure that your job advertisements are fully optimized for maximum visibility. The better your score, the better your ranking, and ultimately, the higher your overall reach within the target audience. Now that we have covered the job creation and performance tracking, let's take a closer look at your administrative area. In this section, we will walk through your profile settings to ensure that all your background functions are correctly configured. This is where you manage the technical and financial side of your account to ensure a smooth and professional recruiting process. Finally, let's return to your profile to finalize your account settings. Under the Billing tab, you have full control over your payment methods. You can easily add or update your preferred payment type, such as credit card or PayPal. Just below that, make sure to enter your correct billing address to ensure all documents are issued correctly. At the very bottom of this page, you will find a clear history of all your invoices, including both open and completed payments, which you can download at any time for your records. Next, if you look to the left under Users, you can manage all your personal account information and adjust your login details. And lastly, if you ever have any questions or need technical assistance, head over to the Help and Support section. Here, you can get in direct contact with our experts who are always ready to help you get the most out of your recruiting journey. You are now all set up and ready to achieve maximum visibility for your job openings and get your brand in front of the right people. And that's it. You have successfully completed the onboarding process. Your account is now fully optimized, your brand is visible, and you have all the tools you need to attract the best talent on Google. I'm convinced that with these settings, you'll see great results very soon. Remember, if you ever feel stuck, our support team and the integrated tutorial videos are always here to help. Thank you for choosing us as your partner in recruiting. Now, go ahead and find your next top talent. I wish you much success with your first postings. See you soon.